In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change to Classic Workspace in AutoCAD 2026. If you prefer the familiar menus and toolbars from earlier versions, this walkthrough will help you recreate that classic feel quickly and cleanly. Start by looking at the status bar along the bottom of your AutoCAD window. Find the Workspace switching button. It looks like a small gear icon. Click it and, if it's available, choose AutoCAD Classic. That instantly loads a preset layout with menus and toolbars. If you don't see AutoCAD Classic in the list, don't worry. You may need to import it, or you can build the classic layout manually with the steps we're about to do. Let's turn on the traditional menu bar across the top. Click in the command line at the bottom of the screen. Type Menu Bar and press Enter. When prompted for a value, type 1 and press Enter again. You should now see the classic drop-down menus like File, Edit, and Tools across the top, which makes navigation feel much more like earlier releases. Next, we'll hide the modern ribbon to free up space for toolbars. In the command line, type Ribbon Close and press Enter. The ribbon will disappear, giving you a cleaner, more compact workspace. Don't worry, this just hides the ribbon. You can always restore your modern layout later by switching workspaces again. Now let's bring in the classic toolbars. In the command line, type Toolbar and press Enter. When prompted for a toolbar name, type a CAD and press Enter to display the list of built-in classic toolbars. From here, you can load the core toolbars you rely on, such as Draw, Modify, and Layers. As each toolbar appears, click and drag its title bar to position it. You can dock toolbars along the top, bottom, or sides of the window, or leave them floating if that's more comfortable. Arrange them so your most used tools are closest to your drawing area. If a toolbar feels unnecessary, simply close it and keep your layout uncluttered. Once your classic layout looks the way you want, let's make it stick. Click the workspace switching gear icon again. Choose Save Current As, and give it a clear name like Classic. Saving your workspace ensures these menus, hidden ribbon, and toolbar positions are preserved the next time you open AutoCAD, so you won't have to rebuild anything. That's it. Thanks for watching.